Good evening, everyone. Welcome to the Post Market Analysis. Today is June 27, 2024, and it's a Thursday. And this, actually a little bit special about this week. So, this week also the last week of the quarter, and tomorrow will be the last day of this last trading day of this quarter as well. So with that said, is like you can see that tomorrow it could be a very interesting day tomorrow. So today is like we know like earlier it's like a PCE going to come out like tomorrow. So let's go back to look at today. There's I would say lots of things that's kind of really cannot say it's unusual or not, but as you can see that future opened yesterday and it's pretty much just kind of coming down and pretty quickly, and like by this like a 8:45 ish last night, it dropped down to like a 55.15 ish, and then it seems like it bottomed there and then it coming all the way back, and it was staying around the high when around the PCE. This is like the there's like some PCE data come out. Those are more kind of looking back, and also like a GDP. I think there is like a GDP data release as well. So as we can see, that market really spiked up a lot, and the open. This is breathtaking if we look at on the futures side and how much it moved here. And now, if we say switching back over to SPX, as it really kind of like right after the open, shortly after open, a market kind of let me see, make sure I'm looking at the right one. Shortly after the open, market kind of move up, and later it come back down and hit the new low, and actually it actually made a new low here, and then it come back and make a new high again, and later come back down to make a new low again, and it's kind of ridiculous. So it's like but that's like what last night's update that kind of alerted us is make a new low, and here almost kind of make a new high, but not exactly like say new high, but it's like it pretty much kind of finished that whole cycle up again, and later another one and coming back down here again, and it's this is one important level, which is the center of previous day, and apparently it was able to find the support there, and look at this like at the close the last few minutes here, and it really breathtaking here. It's like this one is like really looking to kind of break down and go all the way breaking down, probably coming back to this spot, but it pulled right back, and kind of honestly it's really surprising that it it closed out at like a 54, 82, and 87, and this is almost like an impossible thingy, but that's what market did. And so think about from here is 54.73 to here. That's kind of 10 points. That's a lot. Anyway, that's gone, and we can look at the. So future had already opened, and the debate, presidential debate, is going to start actually pretty much now at 9 o'clock. And earlier the market pretty upbeat. It went up by, I believe, here's the 5 points. Pretty much by about 10, 12 point-ish. And now it come back down here, and it would be interesting to see that where this is going to go tonight. And it come back right around to the middle here, so it basically gave back half here. So personally, I think that this is the closing here is very, unusually strong and very, in some way it's kind of very unusual. It seems like market just have already made up its mind to go where it wanted to go, and it could be likely that market will continue to go up. And if we're going back and look at the market in the last few days, it's essentially it's like the movement is like today is like only 23, less than 24 points. Yesterday is less than 32 points, and the day before is like 26 points, and Monday is like 43 points. So it's a really small range, and it's really due for a big move tomorrow, and likely tomorrow going to move about 47 points ish. So if we look at that 47 point ish, that's basically we are talking about 55.30 area. So tomorrow it could very likely move to 53.30 level, and then if it could stay above there, then I would say it would go another 20 points. We'll go to 55.50. So it might be interesting to see whether it's going to go to 55.55 to close. It just kind of, I don't know, just something came to me because it's an interesting number, and who knows. If we look at the calendar for tomorrow, I do want to go quickly and go to watch the debate. So for Friday, and hopefully it's going to be relatively simple. So Friday 8:30, PCE data and coming out, and that's a huge one. And then at 9:45 it has PMI data coming out, and then 10 o'clock have a Michigan consumer sentiment final, and also inflation expectations, and then 12 o'clock is a speech coming from Fed Bowman, and 12 o'clock also have a bunch of like what's that, the grain stocks. So that should impact like the futures market, like the grains and corn, soy, bean, like wheat and those things. And 1 o'clock have the Baker Hughes oil rig count. That's it for tomorrow in terms like in terms of the economic data. So big thing, there likelihood there will be a huge move at 8:30, and I would tend to believe tomorrow is, to me, is for sure it's a very special day, right? Last trading day of the quarter, and yeah, it could be if we follow some other logic that the people talk about, like the end of quarter adjusting and things like that, and likely all those kind of semiconductors, all those kind of winning issues likely going to continue to advance, and if we follow that logic, the market likely going to go up. But let's not try to kind of bake in so much kind of preconceived idea there. Just be open-minded, and who knows, it could be tumbling down right after the open. Okay. That's all I have to share. Wish you all the best, and may the energy be with you all the time. Thank you.